What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Workday employee account. So, first, you may want to head over to workday.com, and at the top right corner of your screen, just click on the avatar icon. So, from this drop down, you can see various links to product and community logins. Just click on the appropriate link for you, and you will be redirected to that login page where you can start logging into your Workday employee account. So once you're redirected to the Workday link, all you have to do is enter in your login credentials. It could be your email and password. It could also be your workspace URL. So just enter in your login credentials, make sure that all the details are all correct, and just wait until you're redirected to your employee dashboard. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again in the next one. Bye!